Are you a big data architect, data engineer, or software system designer looking to learn how to design and implement a robust, scalable, and efficient big data architecture? If so, then my Udemy course, The Software Reference Architecture for Any Big Data System, is for you. In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know about big data architecture, from the basics to the advanced. We'll start by discussing the history of big data and its characteristics. Then, we'll take a deep dive into the Big Data Complete Reference Architecture. This model is designed to be general and standardized, providing logical support for any big data architecture in various business and deployment models. We'll also cover each stage of the big data software application pipeline: data ingestion, loading and preprocessing, processing, analytics engines, and visualization. We'll discuss the different storage types for each stage of the pipeline, as well as the importance of the system workload orchestrator and data lifecycle management in managing the entire software pipeline of big data processing. Finally, we'll discuss big data IT infrastructure as a separate component in big data architecture. This infrastructure consists of main pillars like storage, computing, frameworks, and resource managements. We'll also cover big data security and privacy, which is an essential component of any big data architecture. Here are some of the things you'll learn in this course: the history of big data and its characteristics, the Big Data Complete Reference Architecture, the different stages of the big data software application pipeline, the different storage types for each stage of the pipeline, the importance of the system workload orchestrator and data lifecycle management, big data IT infrastructure, big data security and privacy. In this course, you'll learn the low-level details of each stage of the big data software application pipeline, including the technologies and tools that are used to implement each stage. By the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of big data architecture and be able to design and implement your own big data solutions. If you're serious about becoming a big data architect or engineer, then this course is for you. Enroll today and start learning.